Delivery run on the dashboard. So you would go to the little van over here. You're going to click create delivery run. The layout is slightly different to the old delivery portal, but the things are the same. If you're wanting to put items in, you would just select your items, or you can select all orders that way if you're putting everything on. You can filter your delivery by different things. You can search orders, so at peaks you are able to filter that all down. You can change the name of the delivery run here, and you can assign it to specific users, although on a daily basis we tend not to assign it to anybody, and it assigns to the driver as the driver picks it up. Although we can, at peaks we do tend to assign it to the drivers so that the wrong delivery run didn't get picked up by anybody wrong. You can do delivery runs for forward dates, so at peaks again we start doing our delivery runs early. It obviously defaults to date, and it shows you anything that's available on that day. You can disable the calculation if you want. You can also ask it to respect time restraints, which it means it takes into account any AM or specific times. And you can ask it to lock the sequence, which basically means that when the delivery run goes out, it can work on maps and it can reroute your run if it is better to do it in a different order. However, if you've loaded your van, you may rather it stayed locked in the order that it is planned in. Once you've selected deliveries to put in, you can actually change where a run starts or ends depending on over here, or the default will always be the circular route from the store. You can also put notes here for the driver if you want anything to be put there. I'm going to create the run now. When you create the run, there is it shows a little map here, so you can always have a little look. If you do need to change anything based on local knowledge, you can actually pull the orders around and the order they get done in like that, and it updates it and shows it in the correct order on the app.